I guess you'd call it a fight against Mirror Group newspapers. They have a bunch of tabloids. This marks the first time a senior British royal, or is he still a royal?
Yes, he's still royal, just not an acting one. I guess.
Yeah.
Doesn't have any. It didn't have anything to do.
No perks.
So this is a first. That makes it interesting too.
He testified yesterday against the publisher he accuses of hacking his phone. Mirror Group Newspapers is the publisher of the Daily Mirror, Sunday Mirror, Daily Express, and more. So Prince Harry's testimony will continue today. So we want to bring in attorney Lexi Rigdon. So we want to dive a little bit more into this case.
He said yesterday that these tabloids have blood on their hands. What did he mean by that?
I think he means that people have actually died. His theory, well, it's not really a theory in terms of his mother because she was chased by the paparazzi, but his theory is that people have actually died because of the paparazzi. He dated somebody who actually killed herself, and the coroner determined that it was because of the media influence. So that's what he's saying, is that they're just so insidious, that's the word, in everybody's lives, that they're causing so much emotional damage for all of the people in this suit and not even in this suit.
And what's interesting, though, is he's accusing them of hacking his phone. How do you prove that?
Well, that's the problem. He has a very detailed witness statement in terms of his own feelings and the articles that he thinks were the result of illegal means of getting them. But there are no specifics, as that's his issue. There are no real specifics as to how he believes that this was done. He's basically saying there's no other way they could have known this, so they must have hacked into my phone because, by the way, they did it before. And that's not going to be good enough. The burden that he has to show in England is called a balance of probabilities, which is similar to our preponderance of evidence in the United States, which is basically like a 51%, 49% ratio. He's got to show it was more likely than not that this information was gained by illegal means.
Normally, the royal family has a propensity to settle these things in private. How did it end up in the public like this?
Well, because it's him. I mean, Prince William settled a similar case a few years ago in private, and for a family whose motto is never complain, never explain, he's doing just that. He's complaining by being a plaintiff, and he's explaining by subjecting himself to cross-examination. What's interesting, what's different in the UK than here is that here, if you're going to testify as a plaintiff in a case, your attorney has to go through questioning with you. It's not adversarial, but you know, you have to say who you are, why you're there, everything. There, they actually are able to rely on a witness statement, which is basically like an affidavit or a certification, and it's like 45, his is really long, it's like 45 pages, and then they cross-examine him on that statement. So it's a big time saver, and it's you know, direct examination, even if it's not an adversarial process with your lawyer, people still mess up
like
when
Perry
they're testifying.
Mason. You know, a surprise witness could come through the double doors.
So it's a different procedure, even though we got a lot of our laws from England, from jolly old England.
He's not looking for money, is he? He
He's
just
looking
wants
for
it stopped.
I mean, he doesn't really need the money, but I think he is looking for money also, and the judge is going to have to decide. There's no jury, but it seems like his goal is to, once again, because we've heard this narrative from him, once again let everybody know that the British press is evil and needs to be overhauled.
They're vicious.
They are, and they're known for that. They're known for that. And I guess what their argument would be is he's a public figure, there's a public interest, and so...
Exactly, and he said that there's a difference between public interest and being interested in the public. Some very pithy thing that I think he probably thought of while he was getting ready to go to court. But yeah, their argument is that they didn't do anything wrong. They had a lot of sources to be able to get this information. I mean, that's their job.
But a lot of these tabloids have lost these cases over the years.
They have. They have lost these cases.
What do you predict?
Oh, gosh. I don't know, because there are also a lot of other plaintiffs in this case. Like, he's just one of many. I hadn't really heard of the other ones, but I'm not sure. But the fact that they took this one to trial when they've settled so many others may be an indication that his claims aren't all that strong.
Okay, good to see you.
All right, thank you.
Good to be seen.
We'll